Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's new upcoming foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, is attracting particular attention. According to the latest news data, the next-generation ultra-folding smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, will return support for the S Pen stylus, a higher PPI display, and new upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports claim that Samsung may bring back the S Pen to the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but only to the Ultra version. Insiders at Phone Arena report that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra will restore compatibility with the new S Pen stylus after the Galaxy Z Fold 7 dropped it. The smartphone will also feature an internal display with a 500 ppi density, up from 368 ppi on its predecessor. What this means in practice: ppi, pixels per inch, is a measure of image sharpness. An increase from 368 to 500 ppi means that individual pixels will become invisible to the naked eye even when viewed closely. The image on the internal foldable screen will approach the sharpness of traditional flagships. For comparison, this is the same figure as the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The battery pack will also undergo changes. Its capacity will increase from 4400 to 5000 mAh, and the supported wired charging power will double from 25 to 45 watts. In practice, this means significantly shorter battery life. At the same time, the design will become slightly more compact. The thickness when unfolded will decrease from 4.2 to 4.1 millimeters, while the weight will remain the same, 215 grams. In terms of photography capabilities, Samsung is focusing on segmentation. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle module will be exclusive to the Ultra version. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 will lose both this camera and S Pen support. Thus, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has a very specific target audience: those accustomed to using a stylus on a tablet or taking notes by hand, but who aren't willing to sacrifice display quality for a book-like form factor. The new products will launch at Samsung's Unpacked July 2026 event, including the Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8, and its larger Ultra version, as well as two smartwatch models, the Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2, have leaked online. All new models have received price increases compared to the previous generation. It is expected that the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 devices will launch on July 22nd. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.